Hi, this is Paul Desmond. I'm here at the AHR Expo in New York City with Joe Capes here in the Schneider Electric booth. Joe is the business development director for the cooling line of business for Schneider. So welcome, Joe.
Thank you, Paul.
So I understand you guys recently came out with a couple of new products that you're showing here at the event. Can you tell us what they are?
Yeah, absolutely. So one of the big products that we're talking about here at AHR 2014 is our Uniflare HDCV. The HDCV is a large capacity chilled water unit designed primarily for cloud and co-location facilities that are looking for higher capacity in performance, heat rejection, and also the ability to mount these units with underfloor fans that will really provide and do provide some nice benefits in efficiency and performance. So the other product that we're talking to customers about here at the show is our next generation Inrow chilled water unit. It's based off of our original 300 millimeter wide cabinet that we launched in 2006. The company has become the industry leader in in-row cooling, and we're really excited about having our next generation product available for quoting and also for sale. The product really features some excellent improvements in efficiency, and also comes now with an option for a high temp chilled water version that allows us to integrate with chillers that are providing higher supply water temperatures, and that's really great and beneficial for applications where customers are using water side economizers for free cooling.
So that basically translates to savings for the customer?
Absolutely. So you're talking about savings not only from the efficiency of the indoor cooling unit, but also efficiency from the outdoor chiller plant. And in many data centers, the chiller plant can represent 30 to 35% of the total energy consumed by the facility. So it's a really significant part of the overall infrastructure to address.
And the first product, again, the large capacity water chiller, what are some of the key enhancements there?
So with the Uniflare HDCV, basically there are two new products that have come out, our HDCV 4500 and also our 5000. The 4500 is essentially the same format as our 4300 as far as the actual physical dimensions and footprint of the product. However, it delivers higher capacity with less power draw. Part of the way that we do that is not only through the design of the system as a whole, the coil design, but also the placement of the electronically commutated fans. And these are actually mounted below the raised floor, so we call them underfloor fans. Another really great feature of the product is that we've introduced the ability for dual power input. So two power feeds, redundancy between an A and a B feed with a embedded automatic transfer switch. And this gives customers the ability to feed two independent power supplies to the unit for redundancy and recovery. We also have a optional ultra capacitor that allows you to provide power ride through to the controller in the system. And this means that if you have a power outage, the system will actually return to full capacity much quicker because the controller stays powered throughout the sequence.
Sounds good. So I know the event's only been underway for a little over an hour here or so, but what are some of the questions you're getting from customers?
Well, one of the hot topics in the industry right now is data center infrastructure management, or DCIM. And we find that a lot of customers today are really driving towards the next phase of efficiency, which is, how do you manage, how do you control, how do you operate your facility? Schneider Electric's really one of the few vendors at the show that has the ability to combine a total operational and facility management control through our DCM platform called StructureWare. And we really have some nice things embedded in StructureWare related to the cooling products that allow us to do physical modeling, very much like a three-dimensional type of view that allows you to look at the temperature, the humidity in your facility, layouts, footprints, power distribution to the rack level. And so it gives you a lot of features and a lot of benefits, not just to look at your current status, but also to do predictive capacity planning in the data center.
Sounds great. Well, Joe, I'll let you get back to the event. Thanks for taking a couple of minutes here.
Thank you, Paul. Appreciate it.